Hello students, today we are going to do a IGCSE maths question from the year 2022 October-November CT. Here's the question. So they give you two vectors and they want you to draw and label vector 2a. So a equals to 1, 2, 2a equals to 2 times 1, 2, which is 2 and 4. So the top number is horizontal and the bottom number is vertical. So we need to go 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2a. Let's move on to the next question. On the grid, draw and label vector a minus b. Here's my working. So a minus b, you'll get the answer of 4 and negative 3. So like before, top number is horizontal, bottom number is vertical. So you'll move right 4 times and you will move down 3 times. So if you start here, you will move right 4 times and you move down 3 times. This is a minus b. Next question. Okay. OABC is a trapezium with OA parallel to CB. M is the midpoint of CB and N is the point on AB such that AN to NB is 1 to 2. O is the origin, OA is P, OC is Q, and CB is 3 over 4. Find in terms of P and OQ in its simplest form. So to get from O to B, you can go to OC and CB. So they stated that CB equals to 3 over 4P and you got OC equals to Q. You just do Q plus 3 over 4P and you'll get your answer. Next question, AB. So you have a method to get to A to B is from A to O to C to B. So you'll take AO plus OC plus CB. So you get negative P plus Q plus 3 over 4P equals to Q minus 1 over 4P. Better. Next part. So to find MN, if you look at the diagram again, look, we take MB to BN. Okay, remember this, Remember this in your head. Going back to my working. So MB stated in the question is half of CB, right? Because M is the midpoint. So you take half of that, you'll get this answer for MB. BN is 1 over 3 BA, stated in the question as well. And you got AB, so you reverse it, you'll get it as BA. So you use this as BA, you'll get your answer for BN. So MN is actually MB plus BN plus them together, which is plus this, you will get this answer. So your final answer is 13 over 24p minus 2 over 3. Last part of the question. OA and MN are extended to meet at G. Find the position vector of G in terms of P. Here is the answer. So firstly, you know that OG equals to a ratio of OA. So if you look at the picture, if we actually draw it, G should be somewhere here, right? So OG equals to K OA. Okay, it's a ratio. Same thing, you go MG equals to HMN, which is a ratio. If you look at MG, connect your dots all the way, it should be a straight line to G. So we know what is OA and we know what is MN. So we replace them and we get these two ratios first. That is part 1. Then, now continuing to part 2, we know OG equals to OM plus MG, which is OCM plus MG. Replacing all the vectors in, you will get 3 over 8p plus 13 over 24 HP plus Q minus 2 over 3 HQ. So over here you can see I grouped the P together and I grouped the Q together. Now looking back in the diagram, you know that we need to look at the line OG, which is a straight line horizontally, which doesn't have Q. So you know that Q equals to 0. So replacing the portion of Q, adding them up together, the black line, right, equals to 0. So solving this will actually give you the value of H, and H equals to 3 over 2. So replacing 3 over 2 as H, into your equation of Kp, you will get Kp equals to 19 over 16. And what we stated before is OG equals to Kp. So this is OG, right? So your final answer, OG equals to 19 over 16 feet.